In this video, I'm going to talk about free courses on machine learning. This course is offered by MIT. If you'd like to learn machine learning, then you can do these courses. It is free of cost. So let's talk about these courses. This course introduces principles, algorithm, and application of machine learning from the point of view of modeling and prediction. It includes formulation of learning, problems and concepts, representation, overfitting, and generalization. These concepts are exercised in supervised learning and reinforcement learning with the application of images and temporal sequence. So what is the learning objective of these courses? After doing this course, you'll be able to understand the formulation of well-specified machine learning problems, and you'll be able to learn how to perform supervised and reinforcement learning with the image and temporal sequence. So let's see the format of this course. This course includes lectures, lecture notes, exercise, labs, and homework problems. Recommended prerequisites for this course: computer programming, Python, calculus, linear algebra. So you can do this course to enhance your knowledge on machine learning. So to enroll this course, you just need to simply create an account here at first. Then click here, create account. Then here you will get this box. Just need to simply fill up these boxes here. Your mail address, full name, username, password, country of regions. Then give a tick mark here and click here, create account. Okay, here you can see I have created my account successfully. After creating account here, you need to click here, enroll, to get started. Then here you will get your dashboard. So you need to check your mail address to activate this account. So log in your mail address, and here you will get options to activate your account. Okay, then you need to just open your mail address. Here you will get a link like this. You just need to click the link to activate your account. So it is very crucial to enroll these courses. So please carefully activate this link. Here you can see success, you have activated your account. So in this way you can activate your account. Okay, here you can see one option, access courses. Just simply click over there. Then here you can see everything about these courses. Welcome to then week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way you will get 13 weeks here. So just simply click here, start course. Then you will be able to start this course and learn from these courses. So you'll get the link of these free courses in the video description. Check it there.